Most people don't struggle with money because they are bad with numbers. They struggle because they don't have a simple system. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest budgeting method for beginners. No complicated spreadsheet, no stress, just a clear plan that works. Let's be honest, budgeting usually feels overwhelming. You start tracking every little thing, you get tired, and then you quit. That's not because you're lazy. It's because the system is too complicated. Budgeting only works when it's simple and repeatable. You don't need 20 categories. You don't need to track every coffee. You just need a clear structure. That's it. So here is the method I recommend for beginners. It's called the 3 buckets budget. It's simple, it's flexible, and it works no matter how much money you make. Your money goes into 3 buckets. First is essentials, about 50 to 60% of your income. This covers the things you must pay for, like your rent, food, utilities, childcare, insurance, basically the stuff that keeps your life running. Second is future you, about 20 to 30%. This is where your savings, investments, emergency funds, this is where they go. Even if you start with just £10 a month, consistency is what builds wealth. And the third is freedom. This is about 10 to 20% of your money. It's called your fun money, like for going out, entertainment, hobbies, things you enjoy. You don't have to feel guilty for spending this because you already planned for it. That's the beauty of the system. You get structure and freedom at the same time. So here is how to set this up in just under 5 minutes. First, write down your monthly income. Second, multiply it by the percentages for each bucket. Third, assign your expenses to the right bucket. And fourth, adjust until it fits your life. For example, if you earn £2,000 a month, about £1,100 goes into essentials, 500 goes into future you, and then 400 goes into freedom. That's it. You have a working budget. You don't need fancy software for this. You can use your bank's budgeting tools, a free budgeting app, a simple spreadsheet, or automatic transfers for bills and savings. The tool doesn't matter. The system does. So, here are a few things that stop people from succeeding. Tracking too many categories, forgetting about irregular expenses, never reviewing their budget, and trying to be perfect instead of consistent. Consistency always wins. If you want a free budgeting planner to help you get started, comment budget below. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe for more simple money tips. Until next time, take care and bye-bye.